Okay, so here we have the main frame. The right side is going to be at the bottom, and this part on the left is going to be the cylinder for the piston, and then of course that little this part that splits off leads into another valve, the black piece there, which will carry the water up. So here we have the assembly put together, and on the right you have a standard check valve, looks like this, and it allows water to only go in one way, and that's going to be at the very bottom of the whole setup. And as you can see in this picture here, the check valve is on the bottom and the 4-inch pipe is on top. And the black piece on the right is a valve that opens one way as well. Here's the glue that we're using is this pipe weld spray, and it sets instantly. The black valve on the other side could not fit into a standard 2-inch PVC pipe, so then we had to buy this 1 1/4 inch plastic tube to fit on the end. So here you can see that the 1 1/4 inch plastic tube does fit much better and more snugly than any PVC that we had. And then you can see here in the assembly that the tube does look like it will get us high enough for the 1 meter mark, and at the very at the joint there you can see that little metal piece that is the coupling, and that should keep everything stable and leak proof. Using those 2 holes we just drilled, we attached this block of wood in the center of the PVC pipe with 2 screws, and this block will be used to attach more things onto it later. This stopper that fits around the 3-inch pipe fits snugly into the 4-inch cylinder that we have, so we decided to bolt it or screw it into the wood using a screw and a washer, and that should keep it in place. And what you're seeing here is the final piston assembly, save for just a few modifications, but as it stands right now, this is what the piston will look like that'll generate the pressure. Use this to grease it up. Now we're going to use this drill here to create a hole for this metal handle that will be used to push up and down on the piston. The piston head is moving around too much on the piston, so we decided that we had to use these small screws shown here to fix the piston head to the whole piston. And there is the finished assembly, ready to pump.
Você mostrar embaixo?